Hello everyone and welcome to day 28 and let's draw a portrait today. So for this portrait drawing I am using Camlin pencil and I am using from 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. So let's get started. So first of all, as you know, I always draw the darkest part of the drawing. So here I could see it is eyes and that's why I'm drawing eyes first, and then gradually I'll be moving to the other layers. So for the darkest part I have used the darkest grade pencil, which is 10B. For the remaining ones I'll be using 2B and 4B based on the need. And 8B pencil I have used for the eyebrows shading. So if you're wondering how to draw this beautiful outline, you can check out my previous video. I will give you the I button over here where I have used the grid method to draw this outline. I hope you are enjoying this portrait drawing, and in case if you have any comment, any suggestion or any question, you can definitely put that in the comment box. I will definitely look at that and respond back. Thank you very much for supporting me. Let's continue. this is how the overall portrait look like. Let me know in the comment box how you are finding it and how you are finding my progress of restarting drawing journey. Thank you so much for all your support, and if you're new to my channel, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for such sort of videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.